Lastly, if you're looking for a quick way to wake up your body and get ready for the day, this 5-minute warm-up is just what you need. We'll focus on stretching your back, legs, and core to help you feel energized and ready to take on whatever's ahead. Let's hit the mat. Let's start in child's pose to gently wake up the body. Come down onto your knees. Sit your hips back toward your heels and stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat. Take deep breaths, letting your body relax as you stretch your back and shoulders. Hold this position for 30 seconds, feeling your spine lengthen with each breath. This is the perfect way to start the day by calming the mind and releasing tension in the back. From child's pose, slide forward onto your stomach and press through your palms to lift your chest up into cobra stretch. Keep your elbows slightly bent, shoulders relaxed, and chest open. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in your lower back and spine. This stretch helps improve flexibility in your back while also opening up your chest to wake up your body. Now push back into downward dog. Press your hips up toward the sky, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Press your heels down toward the floor, feeling the stretch through your hamstrings, calves, and lower back. Hold this pose for 1 minute. If your legs feel tight, pedal your feet by bending one knee at a time to deepen the stretch. This move helps stretch your legs and lengthen your spine, giving you a great way to wake up the body. Come onto all fours now for bird dog stretch. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Inhale as you lengthen through your spine, and exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. Continue this movement for 30 seconds on the right side, focusing on balance and control. The stretch engages your core and back muscles, helping to build stability and strength. Switch sides now. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg back, lengthening through your body. Inhale as you reach, and exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together. Keep moving for 30 seconds, focusing on keeping your movements controlled and smooth. The stretch activates your core and back, helping you feel more centered and balanced for the day ahead. Let's finish with some standing forward folds with toe sweeps. Stand tall, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, fold forward at your hips and reach for your toes. If you can't touch your toes, just go as far as you can. Now sweep your hands across your feet, feeling the stretch through your hamstrings and lower back. This movement loosens up your legs and back, giving you a great stretch before you start your day. Great work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've woken up your body, stretched your muscles, and activated your core. Feeling good yet? Well, smash that subscribe button and let's keep moving together. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free customizable fitness program packed with workout plans, meal guides, and more. Stay strong, stay flexible, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!